Hey, how's it going, everybody? This is Crypto-Kev. It is Wednesday, September the 20th, 2017. As you can see on the screen, I am in my Aurum-Bank account, and just want to show you real quick what's been going on in the last couple of days since I made my last video. I think the last time I actually made a video, it might have been Monday morning, and I didn't even have a chance to upload it until yesterday. Okay, I've been extremely busy, and I just really haven't had time to show you what's been going on. Now, the good news is AurumBank is still paying, and actually it's been running for 874 days, if you see over here in the upper right hand side of the screen. Days online, 874. Okay, now by now most of you should know that AurumBank has updated the partner program. So the entry level for the partner program is so low that everyone should be doing it. And actually, it's only my opinion that the best program available is the program that pays 17% for 15 days. Okay, so that's 15 trading days, which comes out to about 21 calendar days. All right. So what I'm showing you right now are the interest, the earnings that I've received in interest since day one, which was on September the 3rd. Now, it doesn't go back that far. You see, September the 4th, I made $24 on my initial investment of $300. Okay. Now, I have what's called plowback, or also known as auto reinvest. And the auto reinvest feature, I'm doing 100% of my earnings is automatically being applied to my daily balance. So my new daily balance is growing, and I'm actually earning more every day. So you can see I earn $24 the first day, then 25, and then 27, and 30, and bring it down so when you see 32. On the 0 days, those are actually the weekend days, and we don't earn on the weekends. There's no activity on the weekends, so we don't get paid on the weekend. Okay, so then again on the next Monday through Friday, you see $35, 38, 41, 44, 47, and then another weekend, and then it brings us to where we are this week. On Monday, I earned $51 and some change, and yesterday, Tuesday, I earned $55 and some change. Now, as you can see, all the times are the same, 8/18/04. That's when my deposit hit my account. So all these days, they're basically 24-hour cycles, and I'm earning 8% on the new balance. So that's why my earnings are increasing. The interest earnings are increasing. So I'm going to come down to the bottom of the screen, and you'll see where for the selected period, which is basically from day one, I've earned a total of $455.45 in interest. These are just interest payments. Okay. Now, when I get paid, I'll actually receive the $300 that I put back in. So the $300 plus the $455.45 in all, my total investment right now is $755.45, and I'll show you that when I get to the other page. Okay, but right now, let me go to my referrals and see if anyone has signed up. I think I have either 3 or 4 people. I can't remember. That was the last time I checked. So right now, I have 4 people, and all 4 are still inactive. Most of them have contacted me, letting me know that they have joined, but they just want to watch and see what happens. They're watching other people's videos, and they're watching my video because they don't really feel safe yet. I mean, they like the idea of being able to earn money, but to them it's too good to be true. So they just want to see, for the people who currently have videos out on YouTube, there's about 4 people who have videos running right now, and those 4 people should be getting paid within the next 10 to 15 calendar days. Okay, I don't have their names, but if you Google AurumBank and change the filter to this week, you'll see videos of people doing payment proof, and you might actually find the people who started their videos within the last couple of weeks, the last 2 weeks or so, and they're talking about how they have less than 20 days left or 10 days left. So some of them should be getting paid this week, and the rest of them should be getting paid next week, okay? So that's pretty much it, okay? So you come to my account details. Let me see, my deposits. So I want to see how many days I have left. I think I have about 103 or 104 days left. So the account details, I'm in the premium account. This one that pays 8% daily for 85 days. I put in $300. I'll put that in so you can see. Move this out the way. And I have 100% plowback. So as you see, my potential earnings will be $208,036.35. I'm sorry, and 95 cents. Okay, sometimes I think that actually changes, because I do recall seeing $208,030, but right now it's saying $36. Sorry, so I guess it's really determined by market activity and exchange rates. But right now, I'm going to earn $208,036.95, and according to the calendar that I looked at from the website Compound Daily, that day is actually going to be on New Year's Eve. So on New Year's Eve, it's going to be really special for me. I'll be celebrating being $208,000 richer, even though I will be earning money before then, because I'm going to do the partner plan that pays 17% for 15 days, and I'll be making an investment in that one on September the 25th. That's Monday. Okay. The reason I'm waiting until that day is because I'm driving for Lyft and I'm earning some more money. So whatever I earn between now and Monday, I'm going to put that into what I already have. So it's either going to be $1,100 or $1,500, maybe a little bit more, but it will definitely be a minimum of $1,100. Okay, so I did the calculations and I realized that if I don't take all the money and just blow it on something stupid, and I keep reinvesting, I could actually earn over $1 million in about 85 to 90 days. But I have to stay on track and stay focused and not blow the money on expensive cars, clothes, vacations, things like that. I basically just have to have faith that this program will be running 90 days from now, and that it will be able to pay out like I've seen some of the other people get paid out. So I'm just going to follow a plan. If I lose money, that's okay, because as long as I recover what I put in, I don't really care what happens. It'd be nice to be able to show you that I made $8,000 or $20,000 or $50,000 or $100,000 or a couple $100,000 or even $1 million. That would be fantastic to show you that. But at some point, those videos would stop just for the fact that I'd be putting my safety at risk. Okay, because you know how people are. Once you start getting money, it's just not really safe to put that out there on the internet. So I'll do a couple of transactions online. Some of the small ones I'll record, but the bigger ones you wouldn't really see. But I'll show you enough just to show you that yes, you can get paid, and it is paying. It's paying right now. If you check all the monitors, other than the new monitors who might have just signed up for Aurum-Bank and they're waiting to get paid, all the other HYIP monitor websites are showing that Aurum-Bank is paying, and they normally have it at number 1 or somewhere in the top 5. Okay, but Aurum-Bank has been paying for over 884 days or something like that. Whatever it was, it's paying. Okay, no one is complaining about it. So that's just one of the programs that if you're not in it, you definitely want to look at it and take some serious consideration as far as putting your money into this and trying to earn from it. But also keep in mind that it is a HYIP, even though it's outperforming everything else that's out there. Okay, so there is a chance that you could actually lose money. So just go into it, understand that you could lose money. You might not make money like everyone else has been making money. I might not make anything, but it's just a risk that you have to take. So if you're a risk taker and you know that you're taking a risk and you know that there's a possibility that you will not get paid and there's a possibility that you could actually lose your money, you just have to be okay with the fact that this might not work out for you. Okay, but if you want to keep watching, that's fine. Just subscribe to my channel and you can watch my results. And actually, when I make the investment next Monday, the date that the funds will be available to withdraw will be on October the 17th, 21 calendar days from that day. So I'll make a deposit on Sunday night after I finish doing Lyft. So that way on Monday morning, the funds will be ready. They'll already be in Aurum-Bank, and it can start trading as soon as possible. Okay, so from the 25th of September to October the 27th, that's about 21 calendar days, and that's the time period that I'll be documenting almost every day my results with Aurum-Bank, and we can find out together if it pays or not, because the other program that I'm in, I won't get paid until New Year's Eve. So with this one, I'll get paid as long as I follow my schedule that I set up. I'll get paid on October the 17th, then I'll get paid again on November the 9th, and then again on November the 30th, and then one more time on December the 22nd, and then the following year, well, not the following year, but after December 27th, I'll get paid the $208,000 from the other plan on New Year's Eve. So I will actually receive about $11,000 the first time. I'll keep some of it, and then I'll reinvest $6,000, and I'll make about $63,000 off of that, and then I'll take some of it out. I'll reinvest $25,000, and then I'll make $263,000 off of that, and then I'll reinvest $100,000, and that will allow me to earn over $1 million, just slightly over $1 million on that. And then on New Year's Eve, my payout from the very first plan that I entered, that payout is $208,000. Okay, so between now and New Year's Eve, I would actually receive a total of 5 payments, and that would definitely put me somewhere around just slightly over $2.5 million in earnings, providing that everything works out as planned. Okay, if not, I'll just earn the principal amount that's covered by the insurance. Okay, so I discussed that in another video, so you can check out my other videos to find out about how the insurance works. But basically, in the event of some unforeseeable event in the financial world, and that Aurum-Bank is not able to pay you the full amount that you're entitled to, or for whatever the calculator tells you that you will receive, you will receive anywhere from 150% up to 200% of your initial deposit. So, for example, I put $300 in my first plan, the one that pays 8% for 85 days. If something happens and Aurum-Bank can't pay me the $208,000, I would get 150%, and that's automatic. Okay, I don't have to request it; it would automatically come to me. So, 150% of $300 is $450. So I wouldn't take a loss. I just wouldn't be able to receive the full amount that I would be looking forward to receiving. So, in a worst case scenario, I'd receive $450. In the best case scenario, I would receive $208,000. Now, as far as the partner plan is 200%. So that one is actually kind of interesting, because either way, it's win-win. I mean, you either double your money. Worst case scenario, you would double your money every 21 days, right? But as long as everything goes well and they're able to pay you the full amount, you would receive whatever the total or the result of having 17% applied to you, 17% interest daily for 15 days, 15 trading days. So whatever that amount comes out to be, I can't tell you what it would be because I don't know how much you would plan on investing, but the minimum was $1,100, okay? So 17% per day on whatever balance you apply, that you put in, that's $1,100 or more, that's what you're entitled to. But for some reason, if there's some unforeseeable event in the financial world and AurumBank can't pay you that amount that you would be expecting, at the least, you would get 200% because that's covered by the insurance that they have set up for each account. And it's automatic. You do not have to request it. It's just set up that way so that in case something happens, you don't come up with nothing. You end up with something. So worst case scenario, you double your money every 20 days. In the best case scenario, you walk away with a large amount of cash. Okay, so that's pretty much it. And before I leave this page, let me go to my details so that I can show you what's going on with my accounts. Okay, so right now, as you can see, the time is, the time on my phone is 5:46 p.m. Today is actually September the 20th where I am. I'm not sure what the server time is showing, but it's September the 20th. It's Wednesday. It's 5:47 p.m. Okay. It shows you my deposit date. Deposit date was September 3rd at 2018-04. That's about 8:18 p.m. The amount that I currently have where the 8% is being applied to is $755.45. Okay, plowback percent is set to 100%, and this investment period expires in 103 days. So I have 103 calendar days to go. Okay, and then I can get paid. And of course, that total will be around $208,036.95. Okay, so that's pretty much it as far as what I wanted to show you for AurumBank. So now let me check the time and see how long this is. Okay, I'm at 18 minutes. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut this one short. I was going to do Laser Online and AurumBank, but what I will do, I'll just flip over to Laser Online. Did not mean to do that. This is one of the monitors that I use while I'm here. Let me look real quick and see who the latest scam is. I mean, I'm already on the page, so it doesn't hurt to look. And I check this a couple of times a day, especially before I do a video in case there's something I need to alert you about. But from what I see, the ones that are on the list are programs that I never even considered doing. These are just basically some programs that I never thought about doing. I mean, I look at them every day, but I didn't see anything that caught my interest when it was out. Okay, and as you can see, they really haven't been around that long. 15 days, 10 days, 3 days. I mean, these things, they basically scammed from the very beginning, pretty much. Only one was 15 days. Another one was 10. I think I saw 13. Now this one is 98 days. I don't know what happened there, but it just says problem. It doesn't say not paying. It just says problem. I don't know what that problem is. So it's not paying. It's just, if it's not paying, it's not paying. If there's a problem, that just means that for some reason they're not able to pay. And I have no idea why, so I can't even speculate. Okay, this one is waiting. But it says 0 days. It just started. So people, I guess, either something happened on the launch pad and they don't know what to do, or when we think about it, it's still like launch day. Sometimes programs have server issues because more people are in them than they expected, and the servers can't handle all the traffic. Wow, 725 days. So dollar bill is finally gone. And the strange thing is I've never even heard of it. Never. Okay, 341 days. Trade has a problem. 708 days. Funds broker, problem. See, you never know when these things can go up. It can go up on the first day, or they can run 700 and something days, and all of a sudden there's a problem with paying. So that's why we always tell you, and I always tell you, you never know when these programs are going to end. I mean, when everything's going wonderful, it's great. People don't think about the fact that, oh, it could shut down, and actually it could. Like, I could do a video today on AurumBank, and it could not be paying tomorrow. There could be a problem. You just really don't know. Okay, I mean, I don't have to say it like that, but they're hypes, and they're called hypes for a reason. It's a high yield, high investment, high risk. You never know. Okay, nothing is guaranteed. Nothing. Not one of these programs that we do online is guaranteed. They can't guarantee. If you read the description and you read the small print, every single one of these programs will tell you that you could actually lose money. Some people don't take the time to read, and they'll just go off of the results of other people. So that's why we always tell you that, and I'm going to say it now because I did show you that I earned some money. I'll say it right now just to cover myself. My results are not typical. You could lose money. You could earn money. There's no guarantee that you will earn money because you could actually lose money. This is a HYIP program. And if you choose to participate in it, you are doing so at your own risk, okay? So with that said, let me hurry up because I don't want to talk too long. I'm going to go to Laser Online and show you what's been going on with that. And this will be very short. I'm just going to show you my totals real quick. I started Laser Online with a deposit of $50. I noticed a couple days ago on day number 7, I actually doubled my investment. That's when it hit like $105. Okay, let me go to my account balance. The 146, that's just something that's left over from the last $5 deposit that was automatically submitted. This, I have it set up for auto reinvest. As you can see, my auto reinvest is on, and I explained what everything else was in another video. But basically, the combiner is it's a feature that allows you to compound your interest daily, and the scheduler is a feature that allows you to set up to 3 days per week where you can have your available funds automatically withdrawn and deposited into whatever e-wallet that you have set up with the system. Okay, so let's look and see what I have right now. Right now, I'm at $120. Okay, again, I remind you, I started off with 50. Today is, let me see, I started on the 11th. Today is the 21st. I'm sorry, the 20th. So I've only been in this for 9 days. I'm getting a bunch of text messages right now. That's what that noise is. But I've only been in it for 9 days, and I've already doubled my money. Okay, I'm at $120. I haven't even, again, not even 2 weeks yet, and I've doubled my money. Some programs do not allow you to double until you hit day 20 or day 30, and I actually doubled my amount on day number 7, and today is day number 9. Okay, so this one is still paying. I received $10.25 in commission. These are some of my most recent deposits, and as you can see, on the 13th, I have deposits. The 14th, all of my deposits are here, but my very first deposits would have been on, I think, on the 11th. I'm not sure, because the 13th was a Wednesday, and the 11th was a Monday. It's just not showing on this page. But as you can see, after a while, once this starts going up, I'm looking from the bottom up. On the 13th, I have one deposit. The 14th through the 18th, I have one deposit per day. And then from the 19th and up, I've had 2 deposits per day. Okay, I don't know why. I know that's just the way it is, and I'm going to contact Laser Online, the customer service reps at Laser Online, to find out why and what the deposits are. I do know that the $10 is when I receive my $5 plus an additional $5 for anything that's in my available to withdraw balance, once I hit $5, that gets applied to my total too. So when that happens, every time it happens, it goes in as $10. But then but now I'm seeing another $5. I don't know what that's coming from. Okay, so I need to contact them to find out what that means so I can share that information with you. Okay, because in order for me to tell you what you're looking at, I need to know what I'm looking at. Okay, but anyway, it's paying. And again, my results are not typical. So if you choose to participate in this program, you will be doing so at your own risk. There's no guarantee that you will make money. You could actually lose money. Okay, so I see I'm about to have some company, and I'm going to end this video, and I will see you in my next video. So thanks for watching. This is Crypto-Kev, and I'll see you in my next video. So thanks for watching. It's about time for me to get out here and do Lyft and make some money. So you guys have a good day, be safe, and I'll see you on the other side.